Imagine transforming ordinary letters into extraordinary works of art, each a unique reflection of your imagination. With Python's Turtle module, you have the power to turn your creative visions into tangible, digital masterpieces. Let's dive in and create something truly unique. First, we'll set up our canvas by choosing the background color and pen color. Next, we'll draw an octagon and fill it with a vibrant hue. Then, we'll add a circle and fill it with a complementary color. Now it's time to personalize your typography. Choose any alphabet you like and customize the font and size to match your vision. We are choosing alphabet S first. To add a touch of elegance, let's place a crown above. You can find the code for this project on my GitHub repository. Link is in the description. Let's run it and see the magic happen. Now let's do the same thing with letter Z. You have to change only this alphabet into any other alphabet. So you have to just write the alphabet Z here and run it. So the masterpiece is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative coding adventures.